Good job. Good job. Whoa. Good job.
Just smoothly, okay? Yeah, that's good.
Good. Okay. Good job. Good. What's that?
Singing. Good of sugar.
All right, one. Come on, throw it in there. Throw it in. One. Come on, one more.
Okay, good job. No, two, that's two. You don't need any more. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's make French toast.
Throw it in. Throw it in. Good. Good. Now turn it over. Now throw it in. You can throw it high. Like that, right? Okay.
Okay.
You want to keep making it?
Yes.
Now turn it over. Real quick. Now pick it up and put it in that empty spot. Good job. All right. Oop. Try to flip it. Good. Now flip. All right. Flip. Okay. All right, come on. Here. Throw it in. Throw it in. Throw it in the pit. Good job. Flip. All right, throw it in. Good. Flip. All right, you can be done. Ooh. Whoa. That's a lot of whipped cream.
Wow.
Now maple syrup?
Yeah.
All right, just a little maple syrup, okay? Teeny weeny. Ooh, that's good, Okay. You want me to cut it up?
No.
All right, just use your hand then. Dip in the syrup. Ooh, yeah. Take a bite. Is that good? Good? Yummy? You made that all by yourself. Good job, May. Is that yummy? Good? Make a bite of the French toast. You gotta eat the French toast too. You just can't eat whipped cream and syrup for breakfast.